Jump into action. Transform your fitness with the power of jumping rope, the ultimate workout for body and mind. What if you could harness the secret training tool of world-famous athletes for incredible fitness and stress relief? Welcome to the transformative power of jumping rope. Subscribe. Jumping rope is more than a childhood game. It's a dynamic workout that changes your body and mind. Boxing legend Muhammad Ali used jumping rope to improve his footwork, speed, and cardiovascular endurance. This exercise helped him maintain agility and coordination, which were crucial for his quick movements and strategic fighting style, contributing to his success and iconic status in the boxing world. Jumping rope engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. It tones your legs, strengthens your core, and works your arms. This makes it highly efficient, burning more calories than many other exercises. Research from the American Council on Exercise shows that jumping rope can burn up to 13 calories per minute. Jumping rope is excellent for your heart. It increases your heart rate and improves circulation, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. A study published in the Research Quarterly for Exercise and Sport found that jumping rope for just 10 minutes is as effective for cardiovascular health as 30 minutes of jogging. This exercise enhances coordination and balance. As you jump, your brain coordinates your hands and feet, improving motor skills and agility. Muhammad Ali, the legendary boxer, used jumping rope to boost his footwork and speed. Jumping rope strengthens bones. The impact of each jump increases bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. The National Institutes of Health highlight jumping exercises as a key way to maintain strong bones. Jumping rope is not just physical, it's mental. The rhythmic motion can be meditative, reducing stress and anxiety. According to the Anxiety and Depression Association of America, physical activities like jumping rope release endorphins, which help improve mood. Many top athletes use jumping rope in their training. Boxers like Mike Tyson and basketball players like Stephen Curry utilize it to improve agility and endurance. It's a staple in their routines because it delivers results. Jumping rope is a simple yet powerful exercise that transforms your body and mind. From improving fitness to reducing stress, its benefits are remarkable. Pick up a rope and join the ranks of elite athletes who swear by this incredible workout.